ready? Go. Keep going. Keep getting the gas. Keep going. Keep going. Just got this saw, so a little cheap saw. I think I'm gonna cut down these trees right here. I don't know if I can really see what I see. But yeah, I got a chest mount on. But I think I'm gonna cut down this tree and that tree. So, hey, D, go give me some glasses out of the room. They put on my face eyes. Go get the glasses. Might be some in the garage. Not my dirt bike glasses. My work glasses. I would have worked. I know it's some in the room. I had them on at work yesterday. So I'm gonna cut down this one and this one. Yeah, I should be able to fit through there with the 4-wheeler. But then again, it might not. So I might cut down that one and that one. This tree and that tree. I know I can fit through that. Hey, you want help? Go give me that rope. I'm back on the 4-wheeler. Where you wanna go? You wanna go? No, just unclamp it. Clamp the rope. That's all you gotta do. Just turn the rope over, D. Push the metal part in. The rope. You see the rope? This first spot to go in it. And I gotta take out two little bit of tree. Pull it. Oh, will it fit through that? Nah. Yeah. Stop pulling it. Come on. Come up. You walk up, boy. The helpers I got. Alright, put the tension on it. Don't snatch it. It's still, it ain't cut down yet, boy. Hold on. Pull it, D. Pull it. Alright, look, open up now. Come this way. There you go. Where you think you going? You finna drive out here? Hey, need to come 23 for me. Hey, need to come 23 for me. What? Don't. Wait here. You went in. How you on my? Alright, it's on. It been warming up. It been warming up the whole time. Yeah. Hold on. I need you to go in there. In there. No, it ain't. Just go. You got this shit. Run him over. Will it fit? Keep getting the gas, go. Alright, that's it. Right there. Right there. Hey. Where's he going? Alright. Let go, boy. Let me go, boy. You ready? Who's finna pull it? You ready? Hold on. I gotta make it around that tree. Alright. On this, some of this part, you can't really see it that way. But you come down and I'm going this way. We usually got like a circle right here to go around. But this year, I think I don't know if I'm gonna cut this tree in the middle right there, or I'm gonna go that way. I might go so they can go straight that way and have that tree in the middle. This tree in the middle. If you want to go that way. So I might put this back a little bit. Might have this tree in the middle and go between here. So you can go down, and you can go down and come between these two trees and go this way and go up. It's like a little mini trail system, track type mix. So nothing too dangerous, nothing too major for him. I might be back here on the 4-wheeler because my dirt bike, it won't even get out of, I can't even get out of first gear back here. So, and then this hill, I ain't never made it a jump. Everybody always asks me to make it a jump, but really if you jump, like if you jump coming down that way, you jump, that big tree right there, or that big hill. If you come from this way and jump, you got those trees over there. If you go from that way and jump, you're gonna run into these trees right here. So I might make it a jump this year. I don't know. You just see how time goes. So now I'm finna, from this spot here, I'm finna go that way. And then I'm gonna merge this one into that one. So here we go. Yeah, that's the quicker way I do it. I just rake the leaves out so the tires can catch traction. It's hard for that little 50 to catch traction, and then it gives them an idea of which way to go. So you see it goes around them trees, come up here, and I still got to go up through that way. Haven't went yet. All back up through that, haven't went yet, and come back down. This is where I stopped at today. I still got all that to go back up through that way. But I just really want to get the main part down here by my house in the back. This little circle track. It's really like it's really not a circle track, technically. Really not even done with this. Come think about it, I didn't go the other way. But you can come this way, come straight down. You can turn up through there, or you can go down that way. I still got to finish up that way, cleaning out. Really just trying, like I said, trying to get the leaves up. Cause it's hard for them little bikes to catch traction on the leaves. And so they can figure out which way to go. Come this way. And then I still got to make a route that way, just in case they want to turn and go that way. And straight up. That's the hill I was talking about. I might make a jump out of. But really still, this is the only spot I got to do down this way still. Clear out this little spot and add a line right there. Track. Go. Starting line. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Squeeze with your knees. Squeeze with your knees. Squeeze with your knees. Go. This is the half of the track. We still ain't did the other half. The training wheels keep catching. Foot off the brake. Your feet on the brake. That's why. Lean to the lean. Press down with your foot. Is your foot on the brake? Watch where you going. Go. Take your feet off the brake. Lean, go. Get gas. Get gas. Take your feet off the brake. That heel right there, I always catch it. Bag it up. Wait. Bag it up. No, just squeeze the brake. Rock backwards. Rock backwards. Yeah. Let go the brake now. Let go the front brake. Let go the back brake. Alright. Go back. Go back some. Go back some more. Alright. Go. Get your feet on the back brake. Take your feet off the brake. Tippy toes. Remember, put your feet on the tippy toes. I mean, put the tippy toes on the pegs. Go back. Go back some more. Feet off the brake. Back some more. Go back some more. So you get a running start. Back up. Look where you at. Just look where you at. Alright, go. Feet off the brake. Your feet is on the brake. Take. Bag up. Let it roll back. The training wheel slowing you down. That's what it is. Feet.
I'm going in the house.
Go ahead. I take my Gatorade in the room. Brake. Go. Go, 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 go. Go, go. You gotta stand up. And rock with it. Go back some more. I got it. The way you keep getting stuck at. Go. Alright. You ready? Go. Keep going. Keep getting the gas. Keep going. Keep going. You gotta fix that spot. There you keep getting caught at. Give gas. Go. Give gas. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Up. Stand up. Stand up. You can balance better standing up. Stand up. Go. Go. Keep going. Don't let off. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Take your foot off the brake. That's why I say tippy toes. There you go. Let off. Let off. And go. Go. Keep getting the gas. You go to the house. Gotta go eat. Oh. But you keep getting stuck in the same spot. I see why too. No training wheel making you get stuck. Look right there. The training wheel getting stuck right there. No, because the way the ground is, the way the ground is right there. Your back tire falling down into that hole, and the training wheel hiding your tire. So your back tire come off the ground. I got it smoothing it out. Bag up. Go straight out to the backyard. You ready? Go. Go. Stand up. Stand up. And that's the track for now. Piece of it. Part 1. And we out.